Okay, we're on problem number 6, and you're certainly going to start looking at the blue area now. I'm hoping you can match my answers, by the way. What I mean by that, I really do hope you match my answers. If you feel there's ever an error in what I'm writing down, you reach out to me, all right? And again, if you've been watching these videos, you know I intersperse my name and my email address throughout the solutions. In other words, if you're engaged enough to watch these things, you see my email address on certain occasions. All right, so I'm going to say writing it down is pretty easy. And I got to be honest with you, when I write these things down, I tend to put the short guy followed by the long guy in the multiplication. But you don't have to. Multiplication is commutative. You're going to get the same answer every time. But what I like to just do the multiplication. And I'm going to write it down. And I'm going to distribute the x across those 4 terms. And what do you get? You would get x cubed plus ax squared minus bx squared minus abx. Fairly simple. Now I'm going to distribute the b across those 4 terms. What are you going to get? Bx squared. You notice I line things up, by the way. And then what do you get? Well, abx. You notice I line things up, by the way. And then you're going to get minus b squared x. And then you're going to get minus ab squared. And what I'm going to do now is kind of add things together. But I noticed immediately when I do that, and certainly these things disappear and these things disappear. And what would you be left off with? X cubed plus, we'll look at the key in a moment, ax squared minus b squared x minus ab squared. Well, let me get my red highlighter out and see if I've done a good job. I see that. I see that. I see that. And I see that. All right? Thank you.